हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। यूट्यूब के इस बड़े से प्लेटफॉर्म में मेरे नए छोटे चैनल का आप सभी का स्वागत है। सो दिस वीडियो इज़ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एक 1.5 हफ्ते से पड़ा था मेरे गैलरी में। आई एम ऑलवेज लाइक कल करूँगी, आज करूँगी, दोपहर को करूँगी, रात को करूँगी, करते करते 1.5 वीक्स हो चुके हैं इस वीडियो के कंटेंट के लिए। इट्स नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ आलसपन, बट हमारे जो कैंपस में अभी रिसेंटली जो पैंडमिक टाइप्स हुआ है, दैट वाज फूड पॉइजनिंग ड्यू टू द वाटर कंटामिनेशन इन द कैंपस। उसके वजह से जो हालत हुई है बच्चों की, आई रिसेंटली वेंट टू KMC टू कंसल्ट डॉक्टर। तो दैट लेडी टोल्ड मी कि देयर वाज अ 200 per day cases happening due to this food poisoning, like severe cases also were there. So that food poisoning thing made like very weak. Thank God that this week was पूरा ऐसे थोड़ा रिलीफ था because a technical fest was going on in the campus, so we got like half day leave and all those things. But sadly it was not a leave for a 4th year student because reports बनाने थे and exams, OTs वगैरह. So that's how the life is going very lately. So this content is almost 1.5 weeks ago have like took place. I'm sorry that I'm posting it very late. It was due to a genuine reason, but I hope you guys will like the vlog. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is 1st of October. Happy October guys. So we had holiday today, but we could not make any plans क्योंकि आई डोंट नो, हम बहुत लेट हो गए प्लान करते वक्त। सो और एक दिन की छुट्टी वेस्ट नहीं करते हुए तो मैं और मेरे दोस्त हम जा रहे हैं कल कहीं। तो वो मैं बताऊंगी कल सुबह। मैं आज रात को मतलब October 1 के रात को ये वीडियो इंट्रो शूट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि मैं सुबह उठ के कुछ शूट नहीं करने वाली, मेरे मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकलेगा और मैं फुल सो जाने वाली हूँ। तो हम जा रहे हैं कल सुबह, बताती हूँ। तो हमारा ट्रेन है सुबह 4:15 को और हम सब हॉस्टल में हैं। एज आर पर्म टाइम इज़ 5:30, सो वी हैड टू टेक परमिशन। सो अभी परमिशन सबका सॉर्ट हो चुका है, वी आर डन पैकिंग। सो उसके बाद कल हमने यहाँ से ऑटो लेना है रेलवे स्टेशन के लिए। तो हमारे साथ बनाए रहे। मैं इंट्रो यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ क्योंकि मैं और कुछ बोलूँगी तो मेरे मुंह से निकल जाएगा कि हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं। बट इट्स अ 1 day ट्रिप, लाइक सुबह जाके शाम को हम वापस आ जाएंगे। इट्स लाइक लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़। ज़्यादा उम्मीदें नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स रफली प्लान्ड, बट लास्ट सेमेस्टर है तो कुछ तो बनता है, छुट्टियाँ वेस्ट नहीं हो सकती। और ऊपर से हमारा प्लेसमेंट सीजन भी चल रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई वी कांट प्लान समथिंग मच। सो सम स्मॉल थिंग्स दैट मेक्स अस हैप्पी. So that's it. Let's meet tomorrow morning. Okay guys, it is 3:33 a.m. in the morning. I have not slept because I thought if I sleep I won't wake up. So I'm now so sleepy and I guess train is delayed by 45 minutes. I'm not dressed at all. When the stop comes, we'll dress up that time. Yeah, so all have been waiting for me and yeah, I need to go now. So let's go now. We need to wake up the caretaker, which is such a big trouble. They'll definitely go and make some faces. They'll be like no. But जाना तो है तो उठाना पड़ेगा, दरवाज़ा खोलना पड़ेगा। तो let's see. Till then let me. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी आई एम डूइंग माई फिट चेक एंड पीछे केयर टेकर सोई हुई है। ओके, फाइनली आई गॉट आउट फ्रॉम माई ब्लॉक. इट इज़ सम 3:40 एंड आई एम रशिंग टूवर्ड्स gate 2. माई अदर फ्रेंड्स विल बी रीचिंग देयर. सो लेट्स मीट आफ्टर ऑल आर टुगेदर. Okay, I see the girls are ready. And so, but I don't know why Sadhvi is vlogging, but yeah, Sadhvi is vlogging. So, hey, the auto is there. Hi guys.
Oh, we should do the trend, bro.
Yeah. Okay, give the slip. This girl is disappointed that I woke her up. She's like 7:30 train was better.
I mean,
Yes, she couldn't check the website properly. Dumbass.
don't blame me, Anna.
Oh God.
Where's your?
Bye guys.
Bye.
Okay, so my friends left. Amrita is here. I don't know what vlogging I'm doing. Morning 4 a.m. Morning 4 a.m. vlog, guys. Okay, guys, we reached the railway station. And out of nowhere, it started raining, and I got drenched on the way to the railway station. There are the girls. These are the girls. It was raining. So sad. The train 4:15 ka train is coming by. Is coming by 6:20. So sad. We just went to take a ticket, but we didn't get because we still have some time to wait. So we'll wait for the guide time till something happens. हमारे साथ इतना धोखा हुआ है. पहले बोले 5 को आएगा, फिर 6:30 को, फिर जाके आया 7:15 को हमारा ट्रेन. We waited in the railway station for more than 2.5 hours because the train was delayed.
पंचगंगा सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस कुछ ही समय में प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 1 पर आ रही है. May I have your attention please? Train number 16595 Bangalore Parwal. पंचगंगा सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस is arriving on platform number 1.
And finally, after the sleepless night, the train is here. And there is no single clip of me in the train because I was just sleeping. और यहाँ पे हमारा पूरा प्लान फ्लॉप हो गया because we arrived late than the expected time. The general compartment was so crowded that we decided to take the sleeper tickets for the evening. Maybe you have guessed that where are we, but it's the time to reveal. We are in Murdeshwar, guys. फिर हम चले गए ट्रेन टिकट्स लेने for evening, but sadly the train tickets were in waiting list. फिर हमने रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर से पकड़ी ऑटो डायरेक्टली टू द टेम्पल. It is like so pretty view. We have this tiny boats and the sea. So pretty. फिर हमने हमारे चप्पल सब साथ में रखे इन फुटवेयर स्टैंड. फिर हम चले गए टेम्पल के अंदर फॉर दर्शन. To tie mundu tight for him. Okay, so Manit was restricted for the clothes. So my dupatta is a mundu now.
I think that will come out.
Stuck it in the
I'll be tight.
अरे
Let him tuck it in his Bermuda, bro. Look at the waves, bro.
yeah, it's like sit. I think they'll let this, so they should let in.
This will it.
ऐसा लग रहा है मेरा दुपट्टा लुंगी जैसा पहन के। हाँ, we are done with the darshan. Now we are waiting for the tiffin. फिर हमने दूर से देखा बीच और फिर हम चले गए केव के अंदर। तो इस केव के अंदर ऐसा पूरा मुर्डेश्वर का स्टोरी बनाया है थ्रू द फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट। हमें ज़्यादा कुछ समझ नहीं आया। देन लेटर ऑन वी स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग द स्टोरी एंड सिद्धू टोल्ड अस व्हाट इट वाज। फिर हमने यहाँ पे पिया वाटरमेलन जूस विच वॉज लिटरली फॉर 95 रुपीज़। फिर हम निकल गए इस छोटे से बिस्किट बस में होन्नावर के लिए। The situation was just so bad. We went somewhere, we came somewhere, and what happened?
We went somewhere, we came somewhere.
So recently when we got down from the bus, so there was this guy, mangrove backwater ka boat guy. He came and he started telling ki we have offered 300 that this and that, and he forced us to sit in his scooty and he told he will drop us till the place. When me and Manit went and checked, it was just a waste. It's not even worth of 100 rupees. It's just like a weeds in the water and you are just roaming. And just now he dropped us back where we have walking area. He just fooled us for 300 rupees and we didn't get fooled. So yeah, now we are in search of walking area.
Yeah, mangrove walk
हाँ,
board.
which is absolutely
Honavar.
free in Honavar, yeah. So let's see if we get any places for dress changing because we don't want to go like this. Let's see. Guys, so we are now walking in this walk of mangrove backwater. Kuch. It's like slightly crowded, but it's not sunny, so it's fine. It looks like pretty. It's just like a walk. I'll show you. Wait. Just like this, it's like a walk between the mangroves. Like पूरा proper fencing करा है. नीचे ऐसा you can walk and you can see the tiny. What insect was that? Mud skipper. That's what he said. Oh no guys. Service chappal bust. And then we did some photo shoots. And then we visited the Eco Beach, which is exactly opposite to the mangrove backwaters. So finally we reached Eco Beach. So we are hungry, we want to eat something. We are searching for restaurants. Not sure if there is that one, but yeah. It is 2:55 p.m. Beach is pretty, but it's crowded. So we are leaving the Eco Beach. Actually, we are so disappointed that there is nothing to eat in that beach, like no restaurants at all. And we are so much drained that we had to cancel our Apsarakonda waterfalls. So we will be heading towards the railway station for the 4:30 wala train. We were initially planning to return in 7:30's train, but because we are tired, we'll be returning at 4:30's train. Yeah, so these are the visuals. Okay, एक की शक्ल देख के लगता है कि अभी गिर जाएंगे, but हाँ. Guys, so we reached Honavar railway station. This is such a bad railway station I have ever seen. I mean, the look wise.
Me okay.
Okay, look at the railway station. It looks so junk. And
Once pause. Karnataka Railway seeing this.
yeah,
Once pause it.
no, I mean,
But north and all
but this is shame for us, guys. Honavar is such a tourist place, and this kind of station I know no officials will look my vlog, but if anyone is please try some better
Only
things in
Anna,
this
me,
group.
these people are like.
I mean, what do you expect, bro? What is this? Where is the skywalk? Nonsense. I seriously think that like can you just see the old ladies struggling? So can you just Indian Railways please invest in this also? That's a wrap, guys. That's how we spent our Gandhi Jayanti.
Bye.
Happy Gandhi Jayanti, guys. Bye bye. So finally we arrived at Udupi. What's the time? Time?
It's 7:35.
7:35.
7:35, guys. We are finally.
We reached Udupi. So now all are tired, but Sabri is like, we'll go to Hadika, have food, and then go room. Let's go. And we actually had a proper meal of the day that night in Adhika. ओके गाइस, यहाँ तक आ गए हो तो पूरा व्लॉग देख के आए होंगे. आई होप यू गाइस लाइक इट. तो वी वांटेड टू गो टू मुर्डेश्वर सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट कुछ ना कुछ आता रहता है बिकॉज वी ऑल आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ब्रांच. सो वी डोंट हैव लाइक अ कॉमन गैप और लाइक सम फ्री टाइम ऑल टुगेदर. सो ऐसे बीच बीच में कुछ मिल जाता है तब हम निकल जाते हैं कुछ ट्रिप के लिए. आई होप यू लाइक एन्जॉयड द व्लॉग. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ शूट नहीं कर पाई. वॉट एवर आई कुड शूट आई जस्ट एडेड एज अ क्लिप बिकॉज इट वुड लाइक मेक मोर सेंस. देन अगली वीडियो आएगी मे बी फॉर माई फेयरवेल या उससे पहले अगर दिवाली में कुछ हुआ या इट्स अ फेयरवेल दैट्स ऑन 25th. लेट्स सी कि क्या होता है. एंड थैंक गॉड आई एम फाइन नाउ. मतलब बेटर, फीलिंग बेटर. आप देख सकते हो थोड़ा I feel low, but it's okay. It's comparatively much better than the previous week. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share, comment below your favorite spot and some nice moment that you actually enjoyed. So मिलते हैं अगले vlog में. तब तक के लिए bye.